How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a cool little 69 Camaro Convertible done in Artic white with hugger orange stripes. It's a cool little car. This car was built about 16 years ago. They did the hideaway headlights in it. They are manual. They did the steel cowl hood. Just a super cool car. Got the houndstooth black and orange interior. It's a white top. It's got the matching parade boot there. They did the RS taillights and backup lights, rear deck spoiler. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. I tell you, it's just a cool little Camaro. Pretty clean car. The lady I got it from's owned it 15 years. It was redone just prior to her getting it. It's got a nice little 350 in it, 350 turbo trans. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes. Nice set of headers and duals. Out the back, stock location. This car drives and rides great. The jams all look nice. It's got the Deluxe interior. It's got rear tilt wheel and the wood grain 3-spoke sport wheel. All the interior is in excellent condition. It's all done, it's all new when they did the car. All inside the trunk looks nice. You got a storage boot or bag there for the parade boot. If you got the top up, you can put the parade boot in the bag. Also comes with a car cover. It is a manual top. It's only about 38 degrees today. That's why we didn't show the top going up and down. Ernie's not going to be real happy with having to do a video on a convertible today, but it's the first day we've had sun in a week. Again, it's got a nice little 350 in it. Thing fires right up. Got a nice set of 15-inch rallies, BFGs all the way around on it. Just, I really like the color combination. Just a cool car. They had the pace car decals on it at one time. Yeah, they tried to make it look like a pace car. It's just a super good cruiser. Go to your cruises, your shows, have a good time with it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook.